Our advanced effluent treatment plants are specifically designed to treat industrial wastewater, removing contaminants and pollutants to ensure safe discharge or reuse. Utilizing cutting-edge technology and innovative processes, we provide customized solutions that address the unique challenges of various industries, including manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and food processing. Our commitment to regulatory compliance, operational efficiency, and environmental protection drives us to deliver top-tier treatment systems that transform effluent into a valuable resource. What does this plant consist of? Screening and pre-treatment. Equalization tank. Chemical dosing systems. Physical and chemical treatment. Biological treatment, optional. Filtration. Disinfection. Sludge handling and management. Monitoring and control systems. Effluent discharge or reuse. Items needed to build the plant. Concrete. Steel. Piping materials. Reinforcing steel, rebar. Pipe fittings and valves. Chemical storage tanks. Membranes and filter media. Insulation and linings. Safety equipment and signage. Acumen Group, where excellence in wastewater management meets environmental sustainability. Scan here to download the Effluent Water Treatment Plant brochure.